Namaskar, welcome back to our channel Tarot Talks. Tarot Talks to Ruby and Happy. And again, you need to connect with the card to get your desired result, to see miracles happening. Today's question is not only important for the children appearing for class 12, but also for their parents. So we're going to ask cards. Hope the kids are going to do well in class 12, and those who are preparing to go abroad post 12th, hope they'll be able to fulfill their dreams in doing the same. And we will also ask cards for the remedy so that you do it smoothly. Let's start the reading. Thank you all the kids. Please stay connected. Thank you. Okay kids, stay connected and I'm sure you will have a beautiful answer from the card for whatever you're hoping for post 12th and in 12th also. So cards, आप please हमें बताइए for all the students preparing for class 12th, hope they'll be doing good in class 12th, and those who wish to go abroad post exams, they'll be able to fulfill their dreams. So all the students and the parents aligning with this reading, please stay connected. Hope your kids will do well in class 12th. Yes, cards are promising all the students you will do very well in class 12th. Cards are suggesting you at the moment you should, now is the time you should get involved in group or team project. Please student, do what is expected out of you and avoid unconventional or unlawful methods and you will be successful for sure. Cards are also suggesting a teacher giving you his knowledge and time to make things easier for you. Trust me student, 300% you will be taking up studies in an very established educational institute. That's the promise of the card. You all will go to very established educational institute, which is so beautiful. Yes, most of you will be fulfilling your dream of going abroad for higher studies. Once there, your colleagues will respect you, your fellow students will respect you and like you. I think we must ask card for the remedy so that you do everything more smoothly to do this. Cards, please suggest, can all these children or their parents do some remedy for a smooth traveling abroad for the students? The cards are saying yes. You can do the remedy also. You or the parents can do the remedies. But with this remedy in your side, cards are indicating adventure, freedom, success, moving abroad, and being happy with your outcome and situation. Cards are indicating you'll be spreading your wings and experiencing life. Kids, your remedy is Navgrah Chalisa, and if you get connected with Gurbani, it is Chupai Sahib. Parents can also do it and the children can also do it. Whenever you get aligned to this reading, you have to do this remedy for 10 weeks. And with this remedy on your side, cards promise you will be able to fulfill your dream of going abroad for further study, and you'll be gaining respect for yourself and your parents there also, experiencing life. Thank you so very much for connecting with us. All the very best for you in all the areas of life. Thank you.